Welcome back. This is the second part of our number 4 tutorial for HTML and CSS. Make sure to go back and watch the first part in order to follow along with the code. So now let's add some more styling to our image itself. If you remember, we had a border radius, slight border radius, and also some box shadow. So let's add that. So let's take a look. Now let's quickly work on the bottom gallery. First of all, in our HTML, we need to go outside of the post and create a gallery here. Okay, so this is what it looks now. Now we have to style them so they can stack one next to each other. First of all, we want to hide them when the page loads. So we're going to do display none. Width 100, and just to center the box around these images, we're going to say a text align to center. But now let's reference the images inside of the gallery, and then let's do width 24.7%, display inline block. Now they're displayed none, but nothing is happening when we click on the button. We didn't hook up that functionality yet, all right? Currently, our gallery is displayed none. So on the click, we want to display it. So what I'm going to do here is, first of all, bring the jQuery library right at top, all right? So add jQuery with a script tag. Now, when the page loads, the jQuery library is loaded in. And then at the very bottom, right before the body ends, we're going to add our own script. We're going to do source for that. And then we're just going to say gallery.js. And this is going to be our file where we're going to handle that click event. So we're going to do first the button that we have on, and then click, and then we have to do the function inside. We're just going to reference prevent default to stop from bubbling events on the web page. And then here, what we're going to do, we're going to target the gallery, and fade in, we can specify how fast the fading can act on the page. Let's do 700. So now this is done, and let's see our page now. Okay, so one more step. I want to add a little bit of hover effect when we go over these images. So let's do that. Right below gallery images, I wanted to hover, and then I want to do opacity 1, but then by default here I want to do opacity 0.9. Also cursor pointer so I can see the hand, and I also want to put some transition on. Okay, I think this is it. Let's check our results. Click, show, and then if you scroll a bit down and then hover in, we have this nice effect on images. All right, hope you enjoyed this, and thank you, and see you in the next one.